Hi seniors, this is Mrs. Moose. I wanted to share with you today some information about the online resources that we have in the library. Hopefully this will help you get some information that you need for your research paper that you're doing in your English classes. Right now, let's start. We're going to be on the PHS website, and then we're going to go to the library page. So click on Academics and then Library. Then on the side menu bar on the right, you have the online resources. Click there. Here are your options for your online resources. We are going to click on the high school resources. These are all the databases that we have here to offer here at the high school. Some of them are subject specific. You are looking for some general topics, so we're going to use some of our general databases. I'm going to start first with our Britannica Encyclopedia. We're going to click here, and when you click on it, you're going to come to a login screen. This is normally going to be empty space right here, but you're going to type in Pleasanton ISD into that space. Choose our school. Our password is Eagles. Oops, spelled that wrong. Eagles, all lowercase. Log in. Okay, once you are logged in, your page is going to look like this again. If I go to the Britannica, and you can do a search right here. So whatever your specific topic is that you are searching for, perhaps you chose Rwanda genocide. And then you can see right here they have articles listed that are going to give you information about the Rwandan genocide. You can also choose images if you're needing an image for your research. There are videos, and then if you click on more, you can see that there's magazines and there's websites and other information that's listed there on your topic. So that is Britannica, the encyclopedia. This would be a great place to look for some general information on your topic. I'm going to go back to the page that has all our online resources. Another great one to look for a general search is this Galen Context High School. So you're going to click on that. When it comes up, you'll do your search. Let's choose something different. Let's go for the Bosnian War. When I search the Bosnian War, you can see that what comes up first are my references. All of these tell you how many of each specific one they have. So if I have 5 reference materials, there are 284 magazine articles, you have biographies, news articles, just 1 image, audio. You can click on any of these to get some of your information. And remember, when you use a database, that you're getting valid information that's going to be true and that has been filtered out of anything that might be biased. So this is a great place to search for your information. I'm just going to click on the very first one that comes up, this reference. And you can see that it has like an article here for me to read about the Bosnian War. Now, when you first start out your research article, you may be trying to find all kinds of information. There might be different things that you need to look at and collect. So just so you know, if you don't have time to read this article right now, but you don't want to have to go back and try to find it, you can always save this to your Google Drive. If you click right here on Google Drive, and then you log into your school Google account, mine was already logged in, it sent the article to my Google Drive. So if I go back to my drive, and you can see right here, the first thing that pops up is going to be that article that I just sent from the database. So it's awesome if you can open up a folder and that is on this topic for your research paper. You can start gathering that material, send it to your Google Drive, and you have it all in one place. You don't have to go back and forth trying to look for something that you saw earlier. Collect it all and then go through it and filter out what you think is going to be helpful to you in your research. So that's a great tool that the databases offer. I'm going to go back to our to our database where we just were before, where we sent this to our Google Drive. Just so you know, you can send this to your Microsoft 365 account as well if you like to use Microsoft better. So another thing I want to show you is that you can, I saw that you're going to have to use citations or have a citation page for your research project, and it needed to be in MLA format. So let's say I used this article for my paper and I got some information from it. You're going to definitely want to cite it. So you're going to come up here to this site where the little quotes are, and you can see right here that they have the citation done for you. It is in the MLA 9th edition format, and I believe that is what Ms. Novosad and Ms. Manier are asking, is for you to do your citations in MLA format. So all you need to do here is you would select it, it copies it, you take it to your citation page, and you would just paste it on there. And then you have your citation already done, which makes it very easy for you to make your page and make sure that you have all the citations done correctly. So make sure you use these tools. If you want to send it to your Google Drive and put it in that folder that you created with your articles and stuff, you can also send it to your Google Drive. You can download this and print the articles as well if you like a hard copy to keep. You can also, if you are tired and don't want to read or like to listen to the article, they will also read it to you, just so you know, if you want to hear it. That is some of the information about the databases. I just wanted to kind of show you again how easy these are to use, that there are so many tools that will help you with your research. If you need any help and you are struggling, please feel free to come to the library, and Ms. Lozano and I will be happy to help you. Have a great day.